for a long time, I didn't feel like me doing transformations and doing hauls and doing these videos. It's really helped to start to boost my confidence and make me feel more comfortable in the styles and looks that I'm doing. Hey cryptic creatures, welcome back to the crypt. If you're new here, I invite you to stay for more goth, alternative, and generally spooky content. In today's video, we are doing a huge Amazon haul. The first Amazon haul on this channel and the biggest haul I have done so far. And a lot of this stuff is so that I could do some transformation videos coming up, so I'm excited about that. So let's dive in. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick up a package and open it. That's how this is gonna go. What did I get? The fuck? That doesn't seem right. Don't breathe it in. What the fuck is this? Oh, okay. So this is the first thing I got. It's a brush set. It comes with 20 brushes. Yeah, I just wanted more brushes because I've been using a lot more makeup lately. Yes, and see, this is what I was wanting. All different sizes. Mostly for my eyes, so I could like perfect my eyes and do different things. What else? Something else came in here. So, I'm doing a transformation. So I got this body paint so I could do the transformation properly. When I say what I'm about to say, you might be able to guess who the transformation is gonna be, but it was either between this or liquid latex. And I went with this because it seemed like it was gonna be less smelly and messy. Snazaroo body paint, which is the thing that the person I'm going to be transforming into recommended in one of their tutorial videos. And what is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, I got some jewelry. I must have forgotten. It's all for these transformations. Oh, yes. So I got fake plugs, basically. Now, don't come for me. I did try to get real plugs a few years ago, and like, it's not for me. The real deal is not for me because like, I know you're supposed to wash your ears several times, but even doing that, I could not stand the smell. And like, my ears, like my holes weren't even that big, but I did not like the way that it smelled. And I tell you, I was washing them like 3 times a day and I still didn't like the way that it smelled. So I was like, yeah, no, I'm not doing this. Okay, that was one bag down. Let's pick up the next one. So I have 2 transformations planned. This is for the next transformation. So the body paint was for one transformation. This is for another transformation. Can you guess who I'm going to be transforming into based on these glasses? Any guesses? Any guesses? Oh man, I'm so excited. I think transformations are so fun. And if you have any recommendations of people you would like to see me try to transform into or try to copy their style, please let me know in the comments below and I'll see if I can give it a shot. Picking up the next one, big one. Got some batteries, some 9 volts. That's not super exciting, but I have a bass that it's got active pickups. So if I want to start playing again, I wanted to make sure I had enough batteries on deck. So that's what this is for. Oh my gosh, these. Let me tell you, when you start wearing clothes your own size, it's a game changer. So for a long time, I was cramming myself into stockings that were too small for me, and then they would roll down and it was so uncomfortable. So I finally just started buying bigger stockings. And what a concept that it was such a game changer. 3X, 4X stockings in black. And it's, you know, just by Hanes, nothing special, nothing fancy. But these have been game changers for me, especially because right now, like literally none of my pants fit. And so I've been wearing a lot of dresses, but I don't like to wear dresses without stockings, tights, leggings, something. So I was like, I need more since I can't wear any of my pants right now. So I got 3. So I got 3 pairs of these. Next package. I don't know what's in here. Oh, what is this? What is this? I think this is a clothing thing, so I'm excited. Oh my god. I actually forgot that I got this. Are you ready? Are you ready to see the most cliche goth article of clothing? The Wednesday Addams dress. I am so excited to be able to wear this. I've never had one. Yeah, so I got the Wednesday Addams dress. You know you need it. And they had they have a ton of different retailers that sell this style of dress, especially on Amazon. I think they have them on Killstar. You can find this anywhere really. So I finally got mine. I totally forgot that I got this. This was actually a surprise to myself. This is a little package. I don't know what's in here. Hopefully this makes up for my super sad Killstar haul. So if you didn't see that, you can watch that here. So this is something I get periodically from Amazon. Lightning to headphone jack for iPhone, because I lose everything. So every once in a while, even if I still have some, I'm like, let me get one of these, because I lose everything. And if I can't listen to music when I want to, like if I want to go somewhere and put on headphones, and if I don't have one of these, I will lose my mind. So this is kind of just an essential must-have for me at all times, basically. There's only 2 bags left. I don't remember what's in them. I know I'm expecting one other article of clothing and some makeup, so I hope that came in, because I actually need those for the transformations. Oh, I forgot I got this. Okay, I'm probably gonna get some more bags today then. This isn't everything. So you're probably gonna see me later with a different look. Okay, so I said I had 2 transformations planned. I actually have 3. But the reason I say 2 is because 2 I have fully conceptualized. Like I already know everything that I'm gonna wear, how I'm gonna do my makeup for each of them. But there's a 3rd one that I'm planning that I don't really have the full concept in mind, but I already know I want to do it, so I had to get a wig. I'm not sure what the quality of wig is. All the other wigs I have so far are from Donna Love Hair, so I'm not sure how Amazon quality wigs will compare to Donna Love Hair. This is my first Amazon wig, but I definitely needed this for the transformation, for the 3rd transformation I have planned, based on this wig. Any guesses as to who I'll be transforming into? Oh, I see. I was like, did I accidentally buy 2 wigs? I see. Okay, yeah. If this isn't a dead ass giveaway, if you know who she is, you know who I'm gonna transform into. If you don't know who she is, then you obviously probably don't know. Blue wig with absolutely massive pigtails. Yeah, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. That's coming. That's coming, and I'm very excited about it. I haven't conceptualized the whole thing yet. Oh, but it's coming. It's coming! Transformations, I think I already said this today, but they're so fun, and if you've been in a style slump, I highly recommend doing them. Because it just kind of breaks you out of your comfort zone, and then you start getting creative on your own. Like this, I just came up with on my own. I mean, I'm not saying it like this is such an amazing look, but I mean, I just had the inspiration to try things, whether they're good or bad, because I've been doing transformations and getting out of my comfort zone when it comes to makeup and clothes and everything. So I recommend it for fun, you know? Even if you don't have a YouTube channel, just pick somebody and try to copy their style. If you like their style, and you know, it might give you inspiration for your own style. Oh, okay, so I had to get this because, okay, so for those of you who don't know, my real name is Athena. Yeah, that's my real name, or you know, the name that I was given when I was born. And I saw this makeup. I was looking for body paint makeup, and I saw this one, which had my name, and I was like, that's the one we're going with. Yes, this has the colors I need. Look at these beautiful colors. I just saw this on Amazon when I was looking around for body paints, and I was like, yes, that's the one I need. And the last thing that I got for now, there's something else coming that I really need that'll probably be here later today. This is for another transformation I'm doing. So the 3 transformations, one requires the body paint, the other one requires the glasses, and another clue, this wig. Okay, so I got 2 wigs. This isn't exactly her hairstyle, but it's close. Okay, so that's the wig. That is the final item. That is the final item from the Amazon packages that I had come in. Like I said, there's gonna be one more coming in, so I'll show you that here. Let's insert that right here. Last item now. Okay, so I checked the mail, and I think it came in. So my look isn't actually that different. I did change up my lips a little bit, and I think that's it. So excited about this actually. in terms of just a clothing item that I'm gonna wear after the transformation. Long sleeve Ouija shirt. Ouija board, spirit board shirt. I think I definitely got the smallest size I could have gotten for this shirt, and I'm pretty sure this is a, well actually I don't remember what size I got. Let me check. I'll check and get back to you. But whatever size this is, it is the smallest. If I had gone any smaller, it definitely wouldn't have fit me. And yeah, I actually love this. I love this. Doing these transformations has truly helped me like the way that I dress again. For a long time, I didn't feel like me. I didn't feel like I was dressing in any sort of way that I truly liked. But, you know, through just doing transformations and doing hauls and doing these videos, it's really helped to start to boost my confidence and make me feel more comfortable in the styles and looks that I'm doing. So thank you for being a part of that and for encouraging me and giving me love and support. I feel it. It's impacting me in a positive way. And I hope that I am giving something back to you as well that is positive and impactful and uplifting. Okay, so that was everything. That was the whole huge Amazon haul. That was like literally the biggest haul I've ever done. A lot of it, again, was inspired by the transformations that I'm going to be doing. So I'm so excited to do those. I hope you hang out and hit the subscribe button. Have some fun with some more looks and transformations and hauls and whatever. Until next time, y'all, take care of yourselves. It is the most important thing, and I will see you in the next video.